Hi everyone, a huge welcome to Malaysia. I'm Steve Owens, and why I'm outside this truck? Well, somebody online told me that Uno's Pizza here in Petaling Jaya make fantastic pizza. And when I saw they were actually trading out the back of a lorry, I said, well, we've got to come and have pizza off the back of a lorry. So come on, let's get and try Uno's Pizza. I don't even know what he does yet, we've just arrived.
Yeah.
Alan, tell me, when did you start doing this?
I've been doing it for 5 years.
So, what is the passion behind your pizza making? Where do you get?
The passion is because I have been loving food for many years.
Yeah.
So before this, I just try everything about food. And then one day I went to the UK in London and tried to learn from the Italian chef.
Right.
Try to make it.
Yeah.
And then came back here. I tried to practice it. It's very difficult.
That's
why because I always look for perfection, because perfection is not easy.
No, I understand that.
The more I do it, the deeper I get into it. So that I get my passion. So I just want to do it, every day, and every day. That's how I get it.
I love a guy who's passionate about food. This guy, Alan, loves his pizza. He went to Europe, he discovered pizza, he talked with some Italian chefs. He's come back here to Malaysia, Petaling Jaya, PJ, and he's making pizza on the street. Doesn't get any better than that. 5 years, what a difficult time. 2022, what a difficult time to be experimenting, but he's dedicated and he's here. And today, Michelle and I, we're going to try his pizza, and I'm going to be kind. I'm going to be kind. I suspect it's pretty good, but I'm going to be kind anyway.
Honey, 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 honey.
But you have to take it out before you cook it.
Of course.
Within like 30 to 1 hour.
So I've come all the way here. Alan, he's a lovely guy, and he's just told me some interesting news. They're actually going to be shutting down here in about a month's time because they're going to be opening a proper restaurant. Well, I say a proper restaurant. To me, this is the heart and soul of what pizza's about. But he's got a place, and he's going to be opening a sort of bricks and mortar restaurant. So I will put down, as soon as I find out the exact address, I'll put it down below, because talking with Alan here, I can tell he's passionate about pizza. Now the sound may be awful because I'm next to his little generator, so hopefully you can see that basically the gist is he's got 2 special pizzas which he's promoting. At the moment, what I'm going to do is order his most popular pizza, which is the Margherita. Traditional simple margherita. Let's see what it's like. One thing talking with Alan is he's had to adapt the pizzas or some of his favorite recipes for the local market. Quite a lot of places, including Japan when we were there, like a sweeter pizza. So there's a nice spicy honey that he uses on one of his pizzas, but we're not going to hold that against him. And please, my Italian friends, you know, understand that pizza, being a beautiful thing that it is exported all around the world, people will make them the way they want to. Now, we're just talking with Alan about the dough. It's really hot and humid here, so it's difficult because the dough has to be sort of at room temperature, but it mustn't be so warm for hours on end so it overproves. So he's got to keep a balance, being out here in the heat, keeping his dough at a good ambient temperature, but not too early on.
Classic margarita.
Oh, thank you, man.
For the classic menu, you can later try to add on with our Sarawak black pepper.
It's your Sarawak pepper, right? You're from Sarawak, right? So this is a local pepper.
Yes, local Sarawak.
What color are the peppercorns? Are they like,
Black.
they're black colored? Okay, man.
I make extra spice from the Sarawak pepper.
Okay, I'll try it naked to start with. That is beautiful. That's a margherita. It's the colors of the Italian flag. You know, traditionally, you have the red of the tomatoes, the mozzarella, and then the beautiful bits of basil, the basilica. I mean, look at the crust. Lovely, dark, caramelized, toasted edges to this pizza crust. I'm so looking forward to trying this. And Alan said to me, try his Sarawak pepper. This is from his local home region here in Malaysia. But first of all, I'm going to have the pizza as it is. Okay, let me get a slice of that pizza. He goes, oh, I'm sorry, it smells so good. Oh yeah. Oh, so delicious. Well done, Alan. To be eating pizza this good in Kuala Lumpur in the city is amazing. And I can tell from this guy, he's got the passion. This is a really good pizza. The little black spots of charcoal bring up the caramelization. Now you tell me, do you like a pizza that's got all those lovely little black bits? I know some people don't, but I can tell you now they're mad. The underside of the pizza, lovely and crisp. That is so good. Now I'm going to try it with a little bit of the Sarawak pepper on it. And get some black pepper on there. Come and support a young man creating pizza in Kuala Lumpur. You've got to reach out. You've got to give support to someone who's putting this much effort into this good pizza. So I've asked Alan what I should try. I'm going for a second pizza. He said he's got a salami, one that's not on his menu, but he makes it for some customers. And I'm actually going to try a little of his sweet chili on one side of the pizza. Forgive me, Italy, but I'm going to give it a try because the people in Malaysia love it apparently. So let's give it a go. So he cooked it for just 90 seconds. So you see there, Alan's heating the peel so that it doesn't stick to the bottom of the pizza when he starts turning it. It's interesting, little tips. So is that your sauce, Alan?
Yes.
Special sauce. This is a Malaysian specialty, right?
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Here's with honey. Here is without.
Which side is with honey?
This side.
This side is with honey, with a
This side.
sweet, and the honey has a chili also
Yes,
in it,
it
right?
is
Some
chili.
heat.
Yeah, it's not so spicy, but he has some smoke and also the spiciness.
I love the fact that you're passionate about it, man.
Yeah,
And
always.
I'm just saying to people who watch this video, come and give this guy some love and support. Okay, so I'm gonna get a piece of this beautiful beef salami pizza, and I want to have that Sarawak black pepper, which I actually quite liked, and I'm a pepper sort of guy anyway. Oh, I'm salivating. Oh yeah. Oh, that's so good. That is so good. A little sweetness from the honey. I've gone and put that black pepper on there. That's really absolutely delicious, but a little bit overwhelming. That is delicious. So delicious. The last piece, the crust, and possibly the best piece of the pizza. Perfect, Alan. Thank you very much, man. Now I'm going to take a second piece. This piece of pizza, that's hard to say with a mouthful of pizza. This piece of pizza, it hasn't got the chili infused honey on it. Oh, it's noisy on this road. A big Harley Davidson just went by with its boombox on the back. Amazing, great atmosphere. Anyway, here goes. Beef salami pizza. This one's naked, au naturel. Oh yeah, the basil, fresh basil. That's really delicious. I wasn't coming to Kuala Lumpur to enjoy pizza, but when somebody said to me, there's a guy who's passionate about pizza, making pizza out in the streets in a van in Kuala Lumpur, well, you couldn't keep us away. And I'm glad we came here today. This is really delicious. I'll put the details, the location, and as Alan said, in the next month, maybe month and a half, he's going to be actually moving address, so I'll update that in the description as soon as we know where his new restaurant will be. In the meantime, everyone, hope you've enjoyed this rather unusual look at some food here in Kuala Lumpur. Get across, have some pizza. So here's a challenge for you. Get here before it closes, try the pizza here in the pizza van, and then go to the new restaurant and let us know. Does it get better? Does it much the same? You let us know. We'll keep an eye on the comments over the next sort of several months and see. Anyway, in the meantime, share the love, share this video with your friends and family, and from us here in Kuala Lumpur, I think we're going to be going somewhere straight after this for another food experience. Anyway, I'll let you know. So share the love and we'll see you next time. Be good.
Welcome to McDonald's. Point 317. The meal you ordered has arrived. It is on tier 1. Please pick up your meal. After picking up your meal, remember to press the on-screen button.
Thank you very much.